Rumor has it that if you want to make jollof rice, you don't tell jollof rice you are about to make it, else it will disappoint you. All I want you to do is to watch and then listen. Let's get started. In a pan, I pour in water. Then I go ahead add my beans. Please take note, I didn't soak the beans, okay? In a bowl, I add in onion, add habanero pepper, garlic, fresh tomato. Tomatoes are not in season, so I just had only one. So I add water to it and then I blend all together. Now let's go and check on our beans. I want the beans to be fully cooked. So let's check. Okay, it's done. So we set this aside. This is the protein that I'll be using is chicken, and you can use any protein of your choice, okay? You can use beef, you can use fish, in fact any protein of your choice. So I drain the water out, add water to it again, and then I transfer that into my saucepan. Here I add salt, add herbs and spices. Here I have rosemary, turmeric, fenugreek, and then fennel. I'll go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of the blended ingredients and then I stir all together. I will cover this and then allow it to cook for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I will give it another stir and then I'll fry the chicken off camera. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, so let's move on to the next step. In a pan I pour in oil. I'm using vegetable oil. I don't like too much oil in my rice, so you can copy me or add more oil. So here I add my chopped onions and then I stir and allow the onion to infuse its flavor in the oil. This may take a minute or two. At this point, I go ahead and add my tomato paste. I'll stir all together and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. At this point, I add the blended ingredients, which is onion, pepper, garlic, fresh tomato, and then a little bit of water. It looks like there's not heat at the bottom, but there is. It's just that I have lower it. I don't want the stew to splash on me. So that is why it looks like there's no heat. So this has been on fire for a while now, and at this point I go ahead add my herbs and spices. Here I have rosemary, fenugreek, anise, chili pepper, and then bay leaf. I added salt too and then I stir all together. And my heat is still low because I don't want my stew to splash on me, so I'm taking my time to cook this, okay? But when I cover it, I then increase the heat a little bit. When I'm about to open, I will reduce the heat so that the stew doesn't splash on me. All right, guys, at this point, our stew is ready. So I'll go ahead, wash my rice, and then I add it to the stew. Hello there. I have an upcoming online yogurt class. I will leave a detail in the description in case you are interested. You can register with me, and I promise you that it's something you will love and it's going to help you a lot. If you are a yogurt lover, please do register with me. Now I add my chicken stock, add our cooked beans, add a little bit of water, and then I stir all to combine. Remember to taste your food to be sure if the salt is okay. My own is super perfect and I love it this way. So I'll cover it and then allow it to cook on low heat. So let's check. At this point, it's not completely cooked, but I'll go ahead and stir all together so that it cooks evenly. Hello there. If today is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check on your girl. Then again, I have an upcoming online yogurt class. If you are interested to learn how to make yogurt, how to preserve yogurt, the right type of milk powder to use, please check in the description box for more details, okay? Hello there. Are you still with me? One thing I love about this cooking pot is that the lid fits well to the pan, so you don't even need to use aluminum foil. It can trap the heat inside and then cook your rice perfectly for you. And I love this my cooking pot. So lovely. At the end, our rice and beans jollof didn't disappoint us. I mean, look at that, looking all yummy and it's ready to serve. I hope your plate is ready because I am going to serve you too. You are served. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed. Bye bye.